This is pi, the ratio of a circle's circumference and diameter. No matter how big or small the circle is, this ratio always remains the same, a constant. This enigmatic constant is a sequence of digits that never repeats and never ends. An infinite sequence that is so random that every possible combination of digits could exist somewhere in pi. For example, your date of birth, your credit card number, every phone number you've ever dialed, all appearing within pi. Even letters, when coded as digits, are contained in pi. The name of every person you've met and will ever meet, the DNA of every species, and the poetic works of Shakespeare, everything could appear within pi. It doesn't stop here. If digits represent pixels, which are used to create images, you could find everything that you've ever seen and that you will ever see lurking within the depths of pi. All knowledge that has ever existed or will ever exist, everything could be hidden deep within the ratio of a circle's circumference and diameter, within this mysterious number, pi.